All right, so today, special thanks to this company for sending us their floating shelves. These are good for the living room, office, kitchen, etc. Now, nothing on the box at all to show you, besides that little sticker there. So we're gonna open these up and show you what comes in here. Right on top, we have all of our screws and even a little Phillips head screwdriver. I love when they include screwdrivers, it's just nice. Then what you'll need to know of how to set these up. So a little information there. Basically you mount the brackets and then the pieces of wood just slide right in. And so these look like the brackets. There's one, another one, and 4 more. So 6 brackets in total. And then, wow, nice filling wood. So you can see the grooves here is just where these will set into place, essentially like that. So 1, looks like there's 3 pieces of wood here, 2, 3. So all the pieces of wood seem to be the same little grooves cut in on each side. They also seem to be the same size. That will essentially do it for this unboxing. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this to me so we could unbox it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.